the safest industrial settings, eye hazards can exist. Safety glasses and other eye protection devices are essential safeguards. But when accidents happen, the Fendel PureFlow 1000 Eye Wash Station provides vital emergency first aid. Studies show that emergency flushing within the first 10 seconds of eye emergencies is critical. Seconds can make the difference in preventing serious eye injury or blindness. This video provides instruction in the installation, use, and maintenance of the PureFlow 1000 Emergency Eye Wash System, and it's intended to be used in conjunction with the supplied instruction manual. The PureFlow 1000 is shipped fully assembled and includes a metal hanging bracket, an emergency eye wash sign, and an installation and operation manual. The installation requires one set of cartridge refills, which are not included with the PureFlow 1000. Do not unpack the cartridges until the PureFlow 1000 is mounted and you're ready to install them. To avoid accidental puncture, do not open the cartridge package with a razor knife or other sharp object. Installation of the PureFlow 1000 Eye Wash System. The PureFlow 1000 Emergency Eye Wash Station is not for outside use. Installation of the eye wash station in an outside location may prevent it from functioning properly in an emergency. Install the PureFlow 1000 on the same level as the hazard, in a well-lighted, easily accessible location requiring no more than 10 seconds to reach. Consult the ANSI standard Z358.1 for eye wash station installation requirements. Use the metal hanging bracket to mount the eye wash station on a wall or other suitable vertical surface. The fasteners required to secure the bracket to the wall are not included. Select at least 2 fasteners that are appropriate for the mounting surface. The fasteners and the mounting surface must be sturdy enough to provide support for the station, the solution cartridges, and the weight of an individual leaning on the station during use. The station must also be level for proper operation. Position the top of the mounting bracket at a height of 52½ inches to 64½ inches from the floor. This will ensure that the nozzles will be located at the required height of not less than 33 inches and not greater than 45 inches. The area beneath the station must remain clear so that the reservoir can move down during use and to provide clearance for draining the reservoir after use. Remove the cover and hang the PureFlow 1000 on the bracket. Rotate the drain spigot 90 degrees clockwise. Identify the eye wash station with a highly visible sign. Cartridge installation. The 2 cartridges are shipped complete with nozzles and fasteners, instructions for installation, and an Isolene MSDS sheet. Ensure that the drain spigot is in the closed position with the handle towards the rear of the station. Open the activating door. Raise the reservoir to the up position and latch it to the housing by pressing back on the tabs. The 2 platens will also be in the up position. Place the 2 PureFlow cartridges on the shelf. Ensure that the nozzle assembly faces the front. Pull the green latch tabs forward to release the reservoir so that it drops slightly and the platens rest on the bags. Replace the eye wash station cover and press down to ensure that it's properly seated. Attach an inspection tag and a lock if desired. If necessary, install the cover plate sticker by lining up the holes with the rivets on the cover plate. Press the sticker firmly into place. Carefully remove the rubber band from the activating strap and nozzle and extend the activating strap. Do not pull on the strap. Slide the right-hand nozzle into the right side of the nozzle plate until the arrows line up and the nozzle locks into place. Repeat on the left side, sliding the left-hand nozzle into the left side of the nozzle plate, lining up the arrows and locking the nozzle into place. The nozzles must touch in the middle. Install the nozzle retention clip on the nozzles. There are 2 PureFlow 1000 models. Model A requires the straps to be installed over the top of the activation door. Model B requires the straps to be installed over the sides of the activation door. Be sure to follow the cartridge installation instructions for your model. Model A. Lay the black nozzle activating straps over the top of the activation door so that the expiration date and batch number are visible. Make sure that the straps are not twisted or crossed. Do not route the straps around the sides of the door. Installing the straps in this way will cause the unit to malfunction when activated. Close the activation door. Position the nozzle activating straps over the top of the activation door and down the raised area on either side of the handle so that the strap covers the label. Do not pull or twist the nozzle activation straps. Push the plastic fastener into the hole in the door until the flange is seated flush against the surface. Push the center pin of the fastener until it snaps into place flush with the fastener head. Place the self-adhesive tamper seal on the middle right-hand side of the activation door and the green surface of the PureFlow 1000. Model B. Lay the black nozzle activating straps to the side of the activation door so that the expiration date and batch number are facing down. Make sure the straps are not twisted or crossed. Do not route the straps over the top of the door. Installing the straps in this way may cause the unit to malfunction when activated. Close the activation door. Route the nozzle activating straps around the side of the activation door so that the expiration date is visible. Push the plastic fastener into the hole in the door until the flange is seated flush against the surface. Push the center pin of the fastener until it snaps into place flush with the fastener head. Place the self-adhesive tamper seal on the middle right side of the activation door and the green surface of the PureFlow 1000. Maintenance and inspection. If the warning "Service immediately" notice on the fluid reservoir is visible or the activating door is open, the PureFlow 1000 requires immediate service. Replace the fluid cartridges as described earlier. Inspect all eyewash stations on a monthly schedule to ensure that they're in proper operating condition. Do not lift the activating door during inspection because this will start the solution flow. Once the solution flow has begun, it cannot be stopped. Check the fluid expiration date printed on the nozzle activating strap. If the expiration date is near or past, replace the fluid cartridges as described in the cartridge installation section of this video. Using an expired fluid cartridge may result in serious personal injury. After removing the cover to inspect the fluid cartridges, replace it securely. Make sure the drain is in the closed position. Ensure that the area around and under the eyewash station is clear of obstructions and debris. Keep records of these monthly inspections at the stations. Operation. Provide training to employees in areas where eye hazards exist. Schedule training on a regular basis to keep both current and new employees aware of the location of all eyewash devices and to reinforce the importance of immediate eyewashing in emergencies. Stress that this unit is for emergency use only. Tampering or using it for non-emergency purposes may cause it to be empty when it's needed. In an emergency, the eyes may involuntarily clamp shut. An individual may experience pain, anxiety, or disorientation. They may need assistance in getting to and using the eyewash station. Pull the handle on the activating door to expose the eyewash basin and start the solution flow. Lower your head until your eyes are in the streams of the solution, then hold your eyelids open with your thumbs and forefingers and flush for 15 minutes. After flushing, seek medical attention immediately. Notify safety and supervisory personnel after the station has been used so that new cartridges can be installed. Parts and accessories. The following replacement parts are available through your local Fendall dealer: Isolene cartridges, universal cart, wall bracket, emergency eyewash sign, and the PureFlow 1000 replacement parts kit. Safety precautions always come first. Training in the safe handling of hazardous materials and wearing eye protection are the first line of defense against eye injury. The Fendall PureFlow 1000 provides an easy-to-install, efficient, and effective eyewash station. When eye accidents occur and seconds make a difference, the Fendall PureFlow can mean the difference between blindness and sight.